It's one of the most searched things that I've seen on all of my accounts. The analytics will tell me, common searches people have in common with your niche, and this topic is probably the biggest search that I've seen. I'll make videos related to this later on, but the biggest search inquiry is this: how to make money with stickers. So there's 3 different ways that you can make money with stickers, and by no means am I going to be here to tell you how to do that on the day-to-day action, but more of a general tree of the 3 categories that you can actually make stickers doing. The first is the most obvious, and it's the one that everyone assumes that I'm doing when I tell them I own a sticker company, and that is retail. Retail is huge because you have companies like Etsy, like Redbubble, you have like Amazon or Facebook or eBay, where you can actually go in and list individual designs that are yours or that you've accumulated and have permission to post and make money off of it. And it's a good business. That's how I started Sticker Shuttle. Was the first 3 months of the business, 4 months, was shipping out 30, 40, 50 stickers a day at $4 a pop that I was getting at 50, 60 cents each. And it's a really, really time-intensive way, but the return is good, and it's what allowed me to expand this business into what it is. So if you have the patience, retail is a really, really good spot to understand ordering from different companies, because at first you won't have a printer, to the gradual point where you get a small format printer and then you just keep moving up. But retail is a really, really good way to start the business and play the slow game if you have a full-time gig. All right, the next step, once you actually get some machinery, would probably be wholesale. Wholesale is similar to custom, where you're making huge quantities of stickers, but you're not actually doing it for other businesses. You're selling the same designs that you have here to those businesses that need them. So for example, if you go to these mountain towns, I'm in Colorado, you go to these mountain towns and you see these racks just full of stickers. And every single time you go right towards them and check them out. And the company that owns that shop doesn't own those stickers. Those are purchased through a company who does wholesale through software like Faire. FAIRE.com, very, very close with that, use it religiously and make a lot of money on it. And what they do is they sell to different shops, not just mountain town shops, but shops all around the world, offer stickers at checkout, or at a coffee shop who orders, a bunch of coffee related stickers, but wants to order them in bulk, doesn't want to hire the designer. Boom, super easy to do. Wholesale is a really good gateway into that next segment of custom. Now, sorry for my bad handwriting, but custom can range from all types of things, because once you get into custom, you're likely to have wide format printers and laminators and plotters that you've seen in my shop and my other videos. Custom is when you have complete control, because if you went the route of retail and then wholesale and then custom, then you have the revenue stream of coming in from all 3 of those channels from that tree. Now, there are challenges to all 3 of these tiers, and one good thing about starting here, then moving here, then moving here, is going to be that you understand each avenue and can potentially, handle all 3 at the same time. I personally just right now do custom. I went this route. However, by myself, I couldn't handle these 2, so I switched to just custom and focused primarily on product quality, customer service. These are the 3 ways that you can make money with stickers. There are challenges to all 3 of these, like I said. Retail, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of shipping. So if you have a side job, you would be up from 5 to 8 a.m. before you go into work to package and ship orders and drop them off at the post office before you go in. It's going to require a lot of monitoring of each platform, and each platform has different fees. If you build your own website, it's tough to get traffic to that website, so you have to rely on these Etsys and these Facebooks, the eBays, the Amazons, and rely on them. But that comes with a lot of fees, a lot of banking, a lot of financing, a lot of understanding, what your average order value is and your return actually is on each sticker. So it's a lot more attention that is required here on a day-to-day basis. Wholesale isn't as much. If you have the printer to print, or if you're ordering from other companies, then you have the ability to stock up and just ship it right away. So pretty easy process, especially if you have your own machines and you can stock up on what you have on your wholesale website. And then with custom, as always, you're dealing with a service-based business where every single day you're dealing with customers, and you have to focus on things that you kind of learn throughout this. Customer service throughout retail is huge, you know, and I've done sales myself and I've done retail, so I understand how important customer service is. So it's really benefited me there. But you are working with businesses every single day, or designers every single day, and there can be a lot of hiccups. There can be a lot of woohoo moments, or whatever you want to call them, and it's cool on that level. You're doing a lot more attention to detail and a lot more quality control, because you are the service, you are the printer, you're in charge of the quality, the colors, you're in charge of mass scales of this company representing themselves properly with their colors or their design or their quality or however it is. So you have a lot more responsibility versus just selling it to a person who's going to slap it on their water bottle, slap it on their laptop. If you look at most people's water bottles or laptops, there's at least 3 stickers on there that are just complete shit, right? But if you are a business who has that sticker on that water bottle and it's been on there for 3 years and it's still in perfect condition, that says a lot, you know. So there's a lot more weight that goes into custom, and it allows you to branch off into other things, such as, you know, vinyl banners or signage, substrates and stuff like that. And that's kind of the tier. So that's how you can make money with stickers. I would start off doing retail and giving out, you know, 25 to 50 of them for free. Get good reviews, get product feedback. Same with wholesale, same with custom. That's always my method, is give it out for free. I know a lot of people are against that, but give it out for free to get enough feedback to have a really good product. If you are interested in joining a community of amazing print shop owners and sticker shop owners, some of the biggest around the country, check out our school community at skool.com/sticker society. It has some of the best sticker printers and some of the best advice I've seen around. If you have any other ideas on videos that I could make stemming out of this, or questions you have about this industry, put a comment below. Make sure you like and subscribe. Like I always say, stick together, grow together.